What about Bayani Chain, BYC Ventures? Mr. Soliman. Sir, do you have any comments?
First of all, we support po the Cadena Bill Senate version and also the one that is being conducted here in the Congress. The good thing about blockchain in general is it's going to be a form of decentralization that no power can influence, even though the administration change or the political climate change, etc. The data is going to remain on the blockchain that we're using. But we also let the body know our stance that the blockchain project or the Cadena should also have a hybrid execution in a way that there's a public blockchain for the people to check.
Who do you have in mind to be the public? What did you say?
Public blockchain.
Yes.
Blockchain in general, like Ethereum or
No, like for example, di ba, gusto ng DICT in-house, which is, I know, they're more than capable. Are you saying there's another validator, another node in the side of the public?
Yep. So the ICT also had a consultation last time, and I think the IT community agreeing that there's going to be a hybrid approach on doing that. So of course, we cannot put the personal information or other information on the public blockchains. It's going to be readable for the public. But for the disclosure, public disclosure of like this, let's say with DBM, the budgets, etc., it's also good that we have a backup on public blockchain that is, can be monitored by all the people in the world as well.
And what do you have in mind? What platform?
Right now, because Ethereum has we know that after Bitcoin, Ethereum has now a smart contract for you to be able to define the policy on chain. So meaning if we're writing a policy, it can be automated.